Trust Allah for everything, no matter what. You lose, you trust Allah. You win, you trust Allah. You gain, you trust Allah. You have a problem, you trust Allah. Things are not going your way, you thank Him even more. And you talk to Him. That's a very good habit, to talk to Allah. And Allah knows it more than you do, but it's good for you to cry to Him, tell Him. He knows, but He wants to hear it from you as well. It's like your dua. Allah already knows it, but you're making it. He knows it. Definitely you rely on Allah and you trust Allah and you know that He has your back because you fulfill salah 5 times a day. You are trying to earn the pleasure of Allah. You are trying to be a good person. You might have faltered a little bit, not because you're evil, but because you're weak. There's a very big difference between the two. Trust Allah that He will protect you. He will look after you. He is the one who has your back. He looks after you, He takes care of you, He makes sure